Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing. This time it is the GB40 by NOCO. This is a jump starter kit. It's very portable, which is why I was interested in getting this one. So here's a shot of the box as I received it. I ordered it via Amazon. As you can see, it does car and truck. On the right hand side it says NOCO 12 volt, and it has a built-in, here's the back of the box, it has a 2x built-in LED. It's pretty bright. It has 7 modes, including SOS and emergency strobe. And the other thing you got to notice here is it has reverse polarity protection. That I think is good, because if you end up accidentally plugging the wrong terminals in, it has built-in protection. Now it tells you right there it's for cars, for boats, for motorcycles, for ATVs, trucks, and more. And I was reading the reviews of it online, and definitely a lot of people are vouching for it. It has 20x jump starts per charge, which is huge. It also uses, as we'll see later, the USB connector, 2.1 amps to charge. So most people have those cables lying around. Here's the inside. It is very nice packaging. As you can see, it's not very large. It's super portable, which was sort of my interest in getting this to begin with. So here are the actual cables. They're pretty good. The packaging itself was pretty impressive. They also give you a little carrying bag, as you see on the right hand side. And here's everything that was inside there: the cables, the micro USB cable for charging, and I thought the cigarette lighter was also a little bit of a nice touch. And that's pretty much it. One thing I will add is I have used the device. I'm not going to show the ports and everything, because again, everything is pretty much generic. You guys can look that up online. But I jump started it on a car recently, and it worked great. It makes sort of a clicking sound when it's actually jump starting the car. Like, you leave it in for over 30 seconds is what the instruction manual says. I left it in, I think, close to maybe a minute, and it kind of makes this little clicking noise as it's doing it, and then you go ahead and crank the car up and it starts. So I did that test already on a dead battery, and it worked great. So for those of you who are interested, shoot me your comments down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer them. Other than that, thank you for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one.